Hi, I'm Saurabh, founder at SAARTH Innovation. We are a prefab construction company working in resorts and farmhouses sector in Maharashtra. Two years back, Mr. Prajot introduced us to SCG International and a product called ZMARTBUILD. So it was a wall technology which have the reinforced bar in this, and it was coming into multiple sizes and multiple dimensions, like in terms of height. So that was a beneficial point when you compare it with the prefab construction, where the lintel height changes drastically and every project have different dynamics. So that was a beneficial point why we choose ZMARTBUILD. On the basis of three primary points, I decided to go with ZMARTBUILD. So the first was strength, second was time for the installation, and third was customization. So in terms of strength, previously we were using the cement board sandwich panel system, which were empty from inside, and that was considered to be a very weak construction if we compare it with the traditional market. So our ZMARTBUILD has reinforced bars in it, and that provide additional strength to it. That's as strong as compared to our regular construction. Second point was about the time. So if I want to construct a 1000 square feet bungalow and I want to do the all walling of that bungalow, it takes approximately 2 days for me to complete the construction. And that's a drastic change I can see if I compare it with the regular and traditional construction. And if I want to compare it with the cement board and sandwich type of thing, then there is also a benefit when I'm using the ZMARTBUILD.
Right.
The third point is about the sizes. Like I get different type of heights in the ZMARTBUILDs as well as the thickness of the panel. Depending upon the project and depending upon the heights, I can choose what type of panel I want. So that also helps in me reducing my labor cost at the site and time for the installation. When comparing to the technical details, the fire rating is also very good. So it's approximately 3 to 4 hours fire rating, which is very good as compared to the other products I have in the market. The advantage I saw in ZMARTBUILD was the lesser the number of joints. So the lesser the number of joints means the lesser probability and chance of getting the hairline cracks. That was a good part about the ZMARTBUILD, that you can have a uniform walls, you can have a better finish, and the after all effect of the wall is pretty much very good. Yes, we have completed 4 to 5 projects with ZMARTBUILD, and the reviews and responses are really very good. Definitely, in prefab industry, so ZMARTBUILD will be a definitely game changer in coming times. But not only prefab industry, you can use ZMARTBUILD in residential and commercial project as well. Specifically commercial projects where the floor plans get changed after 4 to 5 years depending upon the tenants. So it's pretty much easy to change the layouts. So in my opinion, this will be a game changer in commercial construction as well, not just a prefab. As the product is IGBC certified, and not just the product but the processes which are involved in the installation of these panels is also sustainable. Like there is a minimum use of water, there is a minimum use of transportation, the people are less. So I think it's always not about the product but also the processes, and that are very sustainable as compared to the traditional one. Strong, fast, convenient.
ZMARTBUILD AAC Walls.